Okay, so today I'm making spaghetti and I don't know how to make it. Well, I kind of do know how to make it, but yeah, I'm just going to show you basically how I make it, but yeah, you know. So I want to bring my lightly salted water to a boil before putting in the spaghetti or whatever you call it. Then you put in the spaghetti that you want. That's how much you want it. There you go. Maybe a little bit more for my whole thing. Man, I'm not good with this. Okay. There you go. We're making spaghetti and meatballs, not just... Okay, now I have the meatballs, so let me just... With a butter knife, you have to use a butter knife, because that's the best way to use it. We'll cut them open is the butter knife. Not dangerous, because you can't cut yourself with a butter knife. And see? All nice and open. Now, this packet has all nicely cut up, and you literally just... one by one. At a time. Okay, so I'll just leave you right there to watch me pull up in all that. And the last one goes here. You want to get tongs of your choice for the meatballs, I'm guessing. This is how I cook them. You don't have to use... oh, right. You need oil. Don't forget oil. No. Yeah, that will do it. Let me just roll them. There we go. I'm the best chef. And toss that over. Oh, look at it. I am the best chef, as you can tell. I can't read that high. You can't figure it out? Yeah. It's like watching paint dry. But more interesting. I normally just do this. But some of the meatballs stick to the pan, which you normally just pick them up and move them, but they don't stick to the pan. So this one needs to be split. That one is split. Okay, so I think that the spaghetti is like ready. So let me just... So I think how I'm gonna get this out. Not. Ooh, that might work. Place that on the bottom of the sink. Okay, and then you just pour the noodles down there. Empty pan. Oh, I should have kept the water. Whatever. Sawyer's in a good bowl. That. Grab that. Oh. Yeah. Now I'll just tell you when the meatballs are done. Okay, so now I think that Meatballs are right on. I tried one, they're very hot. Let's turn it off. Let it chill for a bit. While I chill, you go down to wherever your plates are. Grab your finest plate. I'll just do this. Spoonful. Wait, oh, baby's back had an alarm going on. I don't know what was going on there. But, okay, so Roll, can you please?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's enough. I guess so. Whatever. Okay. We get 6 meatballs for Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, who counted that right? That is definitely 6. I don't know. Okay, I'll put this back in here. Mine. I like some spaghetti and a lot. Beautiful spaghetti. Now that I'm looking at this, it might not be enough for Dad. And just a couple scoops of meatballs. I have found what I want. So, I'm not heating this up, but this is, I don't know what that says, but I'm guessing we'll just open it because I'm so strong. Get a spoon, scoop some out, and yeah, that should be enough. And then, oh, sorry. You basically in that. How I create spaghetti and meatballs for my family. Okay, so please like, subscribe. I don't know what else you're meant to do, but do that and go watch some other YouTube videos. Okay, goodbye.